Alright guys, my name's Ollie Nichols and this is my 2012 bike check. We'll start with the frame. It's a 20-inch Miraco Edit 2010 frame. It's pretty nice. Got some dog scooter stickers on there. And move to the bars. They're the exposure bars. They're pretty good. I've had them for a while. I've got the ODI longer grip with some different bar ends. I've got a diamondback stem because mine wore out. Down to the seat is a Savage seat, pivotal seat with a I can't remember what the seat post is called. We've got DK pedals. Standard Miraco crank arms, black label, and a DK sprocket, and then we've got the Pro-Light rims, which were pretty good, just some standard Enerva tyre, and a snap-through front tyre. We've got the standard black label forks, which the bike came with, and that's it really. Pretty nice bike, I've had it for a while. Just got a few stickers. And that's my bike check. See you in a bit.